Today on the process, we find ourselves in a small town in Madison, Maine, where recycled wood chips are loaded into a big hopper and then transported via conveyor belt into Timber HB factory to become insulation. The first part of the process is to soften the material by steaming it and pressure cooking it. As the wood chips are forced down, they enter the shredder, where this huge chain is spinning these two mill-like wheels that are a millimeter apart from each other that shred the wood chips. Next, you add borate. In a liquefied form, borate is pumped into the material to treat it in order to make it fire retardant. Next, our material travels through these huge galvanized steel pipes under high heat that goes into this big drum where it goes around in a circle and all the moisture is being removed from it. The next part is to give the wood fiber some rigidity. So we're going to add some bico fiber where it's going to be mixed in with the wood fibers in this big mixer, and then it's going to press out a sheet like this and then pass through a 150-foot oven where that bico fiber slightly melts and gives structure to the sheets themselves. When the insulation comes out of the oven, all you have to do is cut it to the proper size that you need and then send it through the packing process. And just like the rest of it, the packing process is pretty automated itself, where it passes through a conveyor belt where it gets wrapped, and then a robot arm packs your pallet, and then a shrink wrap goes over it to make sure that it's safe for transport. And then this pallet of insulation goes into the elevator and down to the lower floor. Each day, workers are making sure that everything is working properly, and they're adjusting the machinery for a different size of insulation. So that's how it's made, and here's what we do with it.